Okay, so good morning, you once again. Let's start our today's class. Students, look, in previous class we have discussed various type of angles, isn't it? So today we'll start the exercise 5.1. Clear? So are you ready to starting a new exercise? Exercise 5.1. Yes. Okay, so let's start. The first question is, find the complement of each of the following angle. Well, few angle is given here. We have to find out the complement. Yes, vertical angle is not discussed. Vertical angle is not discussed. Yes, vertical. Okay, let us complete this exercise, and then when we discuss some few alternate interior angles, corresponding angles, on that part I will include the vertical opposite angles also. Thank you for your reminding me. Okay, so first question is find the complement angles of 20 degree. Okay, so one angle is given as 20 degree. We have to find its complementary angle. Okay, so the given angle is 20 degree. So how to find its complement angle? Therefore, the complement angle is equal. Now look at the procedure. Suppose if we consider that the complement angle of 20 is x. Suppose if we consider it is x. So according to condition, if we add the angle, so result must be equal to 90 degree. So 20 plus x must be 90 degree. So from here, what will be the value of x? The value of x will be 90 degree minus 20 degree. Means we, to find the complementary angle of a given angle, we have to just subtract the angle from 90 degree. What you have to do? We have to just subtract the angle from where? From 90 degree. So the angle is 20 degrees given. So what is the complementary angle? So the complementary angle will be 90 degree minus 20 degree. So subtract is, if we subtract 20 from 90, so the answer will be 70 degree. So 70 degree is the answer. Yes, very good. Answer is 70 degree. Very good, Nandini. Okay, Asiful has sent me the solutions. Let's check. Yes, very good, Asiful. But don't need to draw the diagrams. Okay, I don't need to draw that. Okay, now student, tell me, have you understood how to find out the complement of a given angle? Just subtract the angle from 90 degree. Yes. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 2. The given angle is 63 degree. Question number 2. Here the given angle is equal to 63 degree. So what is the complement angle? The complement angle the formula is subtract the angle from 90. So 90 degree minus 63 degree. So subtract it. Yes, that is 27 degree. 27 degree. So 27 degree is the answer. Students, am I audible to you properly? Yes, okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, now the last question is the given angle is 57 degree. So look one thing, if I skip the question for you, can you solve it by yourself? Yes. Already you have Ayantik Shamanta has solved it. Nandini Roy, yes, your answer is also correct. But I am not doing it here. Try to solve it yourself. I can see 30 students have joined with me. Okay, so try to solve it. If you can't solve the problem, if you face any difficulty to solving the problem, next day just inform me. Okay? Yes, Sakshi, correct. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Find the supplementary angle of the following angles. Now we have to find the supplementary angles of a given angle. So first angle is given as 105 degree. Okay. So the given angle is equal to 105 degree. We have to find the supplementary angle. So how to find the supplementary angle? Just subtract this angle from 180 degree. Why? Because we know that two angles are said to be supplementary angle if their sum is equal to 180 degree. If one angle is 105 degree, so the other angle will be 180 minus 105. So the supplement angle is equal to 180 minus 105 degree. So now subtract it, you have the answer. So if you subtract, what will be the result? The result will be 75 degree. The result is 75. So 75 degree is the supplementary angle of 105. Okay. So let's solve one more question. Question number 2, 87 degree. That was 1. Now 2. What is the given angle? The given angle is equal to 87 degree. Okay, we have to find the supplementary angle of this. So therefore the supplement angle that is equal to 180 degree minus 87 degree. Now subtract it, you will have the answer. Yes, very good. Sakshi, Nandini, Andik Shamanto, correct answer. So answer will be 93 degree. 93 degree. So 93 degree is the answer. Now, okay, and I will skip the question number 3 for you. Okay. Question number 3 is we have to find the supplementary angles of. No, Nandini, you have done a mistake. If you subtract 154 from 180, how it could be 136? Now then you just check your answer once. Okay? Yes. Okay. So now let's come to question number 3. Identify which pair of the following questions are supplementary angle and complementary angle. We have to check which pair is supplementary angle and which pair is a complementary angle. Okay? Yes, now we are correct. 26 degree. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary angles and which pair are supplementary angles. Now look, what is the complementary angle and supplementary angles we have discussed already, but till I am telling you once more that suppose there are two angles, one is x and one is y. If we add the angle x and y, if the result is equal to 90 degree, then the angles are said to be complementary angle. And if the result is 180 degree, then the angle are said to be a supplementary angles. Okay. Hasibul, do one thing, just you have written 115 minus 108. So this is not true. It may be 108 minus 115. You have written the small number first, small angle first. Okay. So look at the first question, that is 65 and 115. First question. So the given angles are the given angles are, what are the angles? The angles are 65 degree and 115 degree. 65 degree and 115 degree. We have to check whether the angles are supplementary angles or complementary angles. Okay. So look, just add the angle. sum of the angle. Sum of the angles. So what will be the sum of the angle? Just add the 65 degree plus 115 degree. So if you add them, so you can see that the result is 180. And as the sum of the angle is equal to 180 degree, then we know that the angles are called supplementary angles, isn't it? So the angles are called supplementary angles. So here the angles 65 degree and 150 degree are supplementary angles. Now students, tell me, have you understood? Yes, Hasibul, very good. You have seen the questions. I have seen it. Yes, they are correct. Now tell me, have you any doubts? Otherwise, we will move to the next question then. No? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, here the given angle are 63 degree and 27 degree. Here the given angles are 63 degree and 27 degree. We have to check whether the angles are complementary angles or supplementary angles. So to check that, we have to just add them. So find the sum of the angle. Sum of the angles. So sum of the angles will be 63 degree plus 27 degree. Now add them. So 7 plus 3 is 0, 1, 3 plus 6, 9. So that is 90 degree. Now here the sum of the angle is equal to 90 degree. Therefore the angles are what type of angle? They are complementary angle. They are complementary angles. So the angles are complementary angles. Okay, so let's solve one more question. After question number 2, let's solve question number 3. Question number 3 is 112 and 68. Okay, so just I am rubbing this. Okay, so the angles are 112 and 68 degree. We have to check the angles are supplementary angles or complementary angles. So what we have to do? We have to just find the sum of the angles. So the sum of the angles are 112 degree plus 68 degree. So if we add them, so the result will be 180 degree. So since the result is 180 degree, that means the angles are supplementary angles. Yes, very good. The angles are supplementary angles. Okay, very good. Okay, now we'll do question number 5. Okay, so let's solve question number 5 now. Now look, in question number 5, the given two angles are 45 degree. Both are 45 degree. We have to check whether the angles are supplementary angles or complementary angles. Okay, so let's see. Here the given angles are, here the given angles are 45 degree and 45. Both are 45 degree. Now find the sum of the angle. Sum of the angles, which is equal to, this is the first angle plus the second angle. Here the both angles are 45 degree. So add them, 45 plus 45, which is equal to 90 degree. Now since the sum of the angle is equal to 90 degree, that means the angles are what type of angle? They are complementary angle. Yes, very good. So they are complementary angles. Therefore the angles are what? Complementary angle. Therefore, the angles are complementary angles. Solve. Okay, now tell me, up to this, what we have discussed, have you any problem? No? Okay, very good. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Okay, so read the question first. So find the angle which is equal to its complement. So we have to find out one angle which is equal to its own complement, which is equal to its own complement. Okay, so look, we don't know what will be the value of the angle, isn't it? So we consider that the angle which is equal to its own complement is x. Okay, so question number 4. Let us consider the angle is x degree. Okay, we consider the angle is x degree. So if one angle is x, can you find out its complementary angle? Can you find out its complementary angle? If one angle is x degree, so what will be its complementary angles? I'm not asking the answer. You just answer. If one angle is x degree, so what will be its complementary angle? No, not x. Look, we know the formula. Suppose one angle is 60 degree. So what will be its complementary angle? Now tell me. If one angle is 60 degree, so what will be its complementary angle? The process, I think. Not 60 by 2. No. Look, yes, very good. So look, the process is we have to subtract the angle from 90 degree. Look, in question number 1, we have find out a lot of complement angle of a given angle. So the formula is subtract the angle from 90 degree. If the angle is 60 degree, its complementary angle will be 90 minus 60 degree. What happens if the angle is 70 degree instead of 60 degree? So its complementary angle will be 90 minus 70 degree. If it is 50 degree, so its complementary angle will be 90 minus 50 degree. Whatever the angle, its complementary angle will be 90 minus that angle. So look, if the angle is x, so what will be its complementary angle? So 90 minus x. Whatever the angle, its complementary angle will be 90 minus that angle. Tell me, have you any problem? Complementary angle is equal to 90 minus x. 90 degree minus x degree. Angle is x and its complementary angle is 90 degree minus x. Now look, it is given that the angle and its complementary angle both are equal. The angle is equal to its complementary angle. So what is the angle? Our angle is x. What is the complementary angle? Is 90 minus x. So x and 90 minus x both will be equal to each other. So according to problem, the angle will be equal to its complementary angle. Tell me one thing, have you understood this equation? How we set up this equation? If you have any doubt, you can tell me. Understood? Okay, very good. Now look, this is a very simple equation. We have to solve it. Okay, so let's solve the equation. So look, there are two x. One x is in the left hand side and one x is on the right hand side. So first we have to write the variable in left hand side. So what we have to do? We have to shift this x from right hand side to left hand side. So we know that when you shift any terms from right hand side to left hand side, its sign is changed. Here the sign is negative. When it's shifted to left hand side, right hand side to left hand side, its side will be changed into plus, that is equal to 90 degree. Means x plus x, which is 2x, is equal to 90 degree, or x is equal to 90 degree by 2. That means x is equal to 45 degree. So the angle which is equal to its complementary angle is 45 degree. So the required angle is 45 degree, which is equal to its complementary angle. Completed. Now tell me, have you understood? If you have any problem, you can tell me. Do you have any problem, students? Okay, so hope you understood. Okay, so no more today. We have to